last turbos there? It's like a T124.
Something again.
I thought this was yours.
No, my one's still busy. But this is my baby.
This is fucking man. Is that why Raymond's going into the Congrats, man.
Thank you, thank you.
838.
We're not done.
What happened with the first two runs?
Too much boost.
Too much boost, so you put it down.
We brought it down, yeah.
So what do you mean you're not done?
We're not done.
Do you what?
I'd wait, there's more.
Is there more?
There's more.
900?
950. This was all turbo. So what we're gonna do now is try something different. You see what happens with a high boost, it comes on aggressive and lights the tires. That's why I have to dial it down to get a reading. So I'm gonna shoot nitrous now at the bottom.
You're gonna put nitrous in it?
That's single ones, the same with melt that you made.
1.9. And in the run, it drops
Yeah,
to
it's a
under
boost
1.
cut. What is the boost cut on tuba?
No. It didn't touch 2 bar. It goes to like 1.9. And then while the car's still in the run, it drops to under 1.4.
So you don't, tell me something, what's the ethanol content?
Okay.
What is the other ethanol?
It's not bleeding off duty cycle for load or
No,
injection.
probably.
That's why it's not giving you boost.
System 2.4 bar.
you had this car on before you?
Yes, we have.
And how was it?
It was insane.
What did it do?
Blew all the gloves.
That cock, man.
Yeah. But let's see, and that was low boost. Let's see what happens, huh?
Your lights are gone.
Gone again, Gus. It's not about the money, it's how to get up there to change it.
You want 900? What did you want?
No, that's good. But I think another 500 RPM, it will go 900.
Sell ethanol content is 69%.
Yeah.
If you have to put in more ethanol or
It'll take the boost up a little bit.
and the time will be better.
So we're gonna let Trian go, and then you're gonna come back.
No, even if Ice beats us, it's fine. We always have to like it. This guy's a retired car.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
I tried to avoid the little stool shot. So we tried the nitrous pull-up shot. Actually made things a bit worse.
Worse.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So good. We're happy with the outcome of today.
Yeah. Good. Both cars were strong, as strong as anything.
That's what a big dyno day is about.